Na-shoot ba? Na-shoot? No good. Steal to Chockley. Pass spot. 8 seconds to shoot. Carlo taking 2. No good. Rebound by Miel. 9 minutes and 20. Sam pass zone taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Sam. 16 seconds to shoot. Chi is still by Serpat. Pat. Serpat pa rin. Pass to Chockley. 2 points. Chockley Gama. 2-0. Good ball. Good ball. 8 minutes and 48 seconds. G taking 2. 2 points. G tablang. Twenty seconds to shoot. Pat. Taking 2. Foul. Foul by jersey number. First personal foul. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Taking 3. Wala. Bola ng team C. Oh, hindi nga nanisan niya eh. Tagal nga. Tagal wala naglaro. 7 minutes and 58. Dong. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Carlo. Score. All 2. Pat taking 3. No good. Rebound by Chi. Chi taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Urge. Pat. Rebound niya po. Pat taking 2. 2 points. Pat Cruz. 4-2. All 4. All 4 pala. All 4. Sam taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Carlo. Foul. Foul by Higomsi. 7 minutes exactly. 17 seconds to shoot. To Pat. 7 seconds to shoot. Foul. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2. Good ball. 2 points. Kiko Onsi. Ay, ano pala? Sino ba? 6-4. Komsi again. 2 points. Kiko Komsi. 8-4. 19 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Pat. 14 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Pat Cruz. So, Scotty. 8-6. To Dong. 5 minutes and 49. No good. Rebound by Carlo. Taking 2, wala. Rebound by Serpat. 2 points. Pat Cruz. Only 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Chi. 9 seconds to shoot. Chi. 2 points. Chi. Tablang. Change favor. 10-8. Last possession before change. Last possession. Elmo taking 3. No good. Rebound by Chi. Pag na-shoot, change yan. Pag foul, change yan. Good. Block by Elmo. Wala. Rebound by Sam. 4 minutes and 40. Sam. Foul. Change court. Change court. Tayo. Change score. Score 10-8 in favor of Team C. Four minutes and 34 seconds. To Miel. Steal by Carlo. Carlo, 2 points. Carlo, Jacobe. Deadlock, all 10. Steal by Elmo. Elmo, foul. Foul by jersey number 0. Miel de repite. All 10. Exactly, 4 minutes. Take 3. Pat Cruz. Two points. Don Tabios. 13-12 in favor of Team D. Chocolate taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Elmo. Pat again, taking 3. Wala. Saved by Carlo pero nakuha ni Chi. Dong take 2 points. Dong Tabios. Change favor. 14-3. Wala. Rebound by Miel. Miel. Pass to Kiko, taking 3. Kiko, Comsy. 17-13. 2 minutes and 44. Wala. Bola na. Team C. 2 minutes and 34 seconds. 20-second shot clock. Miel. 2 points. Miel de repite. 19-13. Chocolate. Chocolate. Kama. 19-15. 2 points. Dong Tabios. 21-15. What a shot by Dong Tabios. Pat to urge. 13 seconds to shoot. To Pat. Wala. Rebound by Elmo. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Kiko. Kiko nagmamadali. Kiko. 2 points. G. Tablang. Steal by Miel. No good. Rebound by Chocolate. Nakuha ni Elmo. Elmo. Pass to Pat. Take it to. No good. Rebound by Carlo. 2 points. Carlo Jacobe. 21-17. Lamang ang Team C. 21-17. Kayo, G Tablang. 17. 2 points. Dong Tabios. Last 30 seconds. 22 second shot clock. Urge. Wala. Rebound by Kiko. Nauna na si Miel. Miel. Wala. Rebound by Elmo. Shot clock off. 17 seconds. 12 seconds. 2 points. Carlo Jacobe. 7 seconds. 3. Kiko Kopsi. End of the ball game.